Another independent walk-around brought to you by livecars.com.
2014 Ford F-150. I'm going to start our walk around on the driver's side, stopping right up front to look at those tires. Good tread left on those BF Goodrich. Just going to be looking for dents, dings, scratches. Do our best to point those out along the way. Little thin spot right there. This truck is four-wheel drive, Texas edition. Trailer tow is included. One more little spot there. Exterior on the truck looks good and clean. They have added a nice set of Big Country step assist there. Looking inside the truck now, you do get some power, multiple adjustments for the driver's seat. It's a nice gray cloth. 113,667 is your current mileage. You've got AM, FM, satellite radio. It is a four-wheel drive, as we told you before. All your climate control functionality is right there just below it. Put that seat out of the way. There is some additional storage underneath the seat here. And then all of your USB, auxiliary, and power ports below. All that flooring is going to be black. Looking in the back seat now, just do a nice slow pan over the seating surface there. No signs of any staining or rips or tears. All the flooring looks good. All your original mats there included. And these seats are 60-40 split. A lot of leg room, but then you also have a lot more space for cargo. Coming in from the passenger side now, just taking one more look around. Go ahead and flip that 60-40 seat over here. Coming in from the passenger side, you do get multiple adjustments for the passenger as well as the driver. One more look over that seating surface. We're going to go ahead and flip that armrest down, showing you that additional storage there. One more spin around the back. And that's going to wrap up your 2014 Ford F-150.
Another independent walk-around brought to you by livecars.com.